ask them about the cassettes.
They're too expensive. No, they've got them marked at $5. The most I would pay was 50 cents. We're way too far apart. Yeah. It's a cool board. Wow.
See what this is.
Yeah. Ooh, this is cool. Rush Truck Centers. Stanley Cup. Jaeger. I don't know what that one is. Continental Airlines. There's some nice hats.
You want me to buy this cup, or you can buy
$2 for a hat.
These are the people that I listen to as a kid.
What do you got?
Croce, Neil Diamond.
This
Cat
is
Stevens.
interesting single stitch shirt.
This is nice.
You should have brought that.
Yeah, this shirt is cool. The hats, I gotta be picky at $2 a piece. I think I would just want New Era. What? What? Oh yeah? Oh, nice to meet you. Got some nice stuff here.
Yeah. I sold a lot.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I bet. I'm kind of late.
$3 for these things. I was telling them these are the ones I used to listen to.
Yeah.
No, those are the good ones.
Those are the good
Well,
ones.
I know I didn't like Frank Sinatra, honestly, but I like Jim Croce,
Yep.
and I like Neil Diamond, and I like Cat Stevens.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, I like that.
$1 for
I
that.
just sold like a couple.
well, here you go, Dave. A Mickey Mouse inflatable pool.
That's fun.
Yeah.
It's $2.
Yeah. Inflatable foot. So it's like a whole Mickey Mouse?
Yeah, it's brand new. It's just
That's cool.
inflatable, and then it has the cup.
I don't think it has
That's
the
neat.
Mickey on it.
No, I think it does. I think Mickey's the inflatable part. See?
Oh, that's cool.
That's neat.
How about this guy? Elgin Ellis.
Yeah.
I have no idea who he is.
What is Stoli Chai? Oh, it's a beer? I don't know my beers.
So you want these $3?
I don't. If you really want them, I can get them for
No,
you.
no, I can't. I don't know how to listen to them.
With a cassette player. Honda wheel locks. That's cool.
Those are the locks.
They're not the locks. They're just the. Yeah, that's true.
Beautiful locks,
Yeah.
It's a little warm. That's a cool cooler.
Yeah.
Huh. So you guys been crowded?
Yeah.
Yeah, really crowded. What's that? Really? Wow. Oh, that's cool too. Your stagecoach? That's neat.
Yeah, it's a barbecue.
See that? Really? It's a barbecue. Wow.
That's what you need, David.
No, not true. It is cool though. Classic rock. LPs.
Those are the sealed ones.
Oh, cool. It's
Yeah.
Bob Welch. I've never heard of Bob Welch.
He's hard, right?
Oh, okay. I've heard of Heart.
He's in one.
Staple Singers. Pointer Sisters.
Not part of the pointer.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. I don't think I like them. I read them.
No, it's your favorite band. You just said it. You admitted it. Starbuck.
Hot today, huh?
Those are
So how do you like your
Okay.
electric bikes?
Love them.
Electric bikes. Oh, those.
Now, I think I'm looking at this. Where did you get that? Yeah, that's the one you go for like 1,000.
Here's a crew neck. I know some old crew necks can be good. It's double stitch. Got some knives. Autograph.
You have to take a tow to get on it.
Yeah, see, that's not gonna work for me.
Why not?
It's vague.
Just
I
jump.
like my life. I like to live.
Alright, I'm at $10.
What you got?
I got 3 hats,
Oh, yeah.
$6, 7 for the shirt, and then 3. I'll give you 3 for that. That's what you had in there. Do you have change for a 20?
Yeah.
What's the top speed on the bikes?
32?
That's pretty fast.
Yeah.
It's scary now. I'm so glad I saw one because
you.
online they don't look that big.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They look like I could handle
When
it.
we got them, we were like, ooh, they're a little bit bigger
Yeah.
than we expected.
Yeah.
they're
And I
not
don't think
heavier
they
than
do
we expected.
free returns. You know, they might sell them down yet for
Yeah,
free,
yeah.
but they're gonna charge you to ship it back when you say
Yeah.
I'm too little for it.
Yeah, yeah.
So, but it is nice. They are
Yeah.
nice.
Yep, we love,
They look so much smaller on mine.
yep.
Do they have a kid version?
No, not
No.
yet.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Nice tennis rackets. Cool old car. Tension mower. That's cool.
Got a little bit of everything in there, don't
Sony.
you? Wow. See that, huh?
What's that?
It's got a kitchen drawer over here for you for $4.
It's got great big hooks and nails and screws and. Get out of the way.
Oh, you're fine.
You got a little bit of everything in there.
Some sealed VHS. Prince of Egypt. Jungle Book.
They have bookshops here, Jake, but they're too big.
Unopened videos. Need the Commonwealth picture for this.
Set of dishes and set of flatware. There's at least service for 4 flatware. It's city. Once upon a time, it was service for 8. I
Yeah.
have 4 kids, and
Yeah.
things get thrown away.
Records, David.
I see
Gazillion
that.
records.
Zillions of records.
Gazillion.
Nice and cool in the garage.
Yeah, that's why we're in here.
Yeah. Smart.
No, we don't, as a matter of fact. Books? No. We did that when
I
I
had a few
moved out here.
cookbooks, that's about it.
Yeah.
I donated 14 cases of cookies to the inmates. Everything's negotiable, so.
Everything's negotiable, Dave.
Okay. This is a nice little chest set.
That's alabaster.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's
why
alabaster
it's
chest set, and that's
$50.
alabaster and
50
Chinese checkers.
buckaroos.
Wow.
I just picked up one for $2.
Well, yeah, but you didn't pick up an alabaster one.
But I picked up one for $2.
But it wasn't alabaster.
No, it was
She
not.
had one box one that was the plastic maybe pieces and that's type. The man says, you didn't even bother to look at the thing. Looks and says, oh, another chest set. I said, will you take $10 for it? No.
Oh, good try though.
Yeah.
One scarf over 2 kids.
It's one panel. And the other panel.
Yeah.
HQ VHS, $40.
I could think how big. Oh, you're right, and I was excited. But
The neat sheet, $7.
This is wider.
Yeah.
$20.
Well, you know, I'll try them.
What's that?
Did you find anything?
Found some stuff. Price is a little higher than I want.
They're all too high. Go down. She said they're very high.
Yeah.
I don't like doing that.
Depends on if it's possible. I just don't know if it's
Said they were
possible.
negotiable.
They are.
What? What's that?
And she's not. She's not.
Yes.
What are you looking at?
The Baker and a brisket.
She'll give you a bill now. I used to do it all together, and then it's good for you. And now I have a dog.
Did you do $2 on that? Just said make offer on it. $2 on that?
Make an offer?
Yeah? Two?
How much is it marked?
It just says make offer.
Oh, yeah.
$2 fine? Okay. Oh, really? What, do I give you the money?
Sure.
Okay. Let me see.
How much are these guys?
Those old bells, it's a set, it goes together, the whole thing in the shelf.
Disney did it, but it was
$10.
Cute.
Those are so, they just tarnish.
and oh my gosh, she hates it. Maybe she cried so bad.
One of them is broken, but gentleman said he could solder it.
They're pewter or
No silver.
they're silver, really?
Yep.
I'll do $10 on them. I like them.
Well, Disney characters.
Yeah, they're cute. Did you get them from Disney? There you go. $10.
And they're
Thank you.
really silver, huh?
They're cute.
Does it come with the shell?
Yeah, this one's. Yeah, she said it did.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, see, this is the one. Yeah, you could solder that.
Yes.
Yeah, Dad could,
Yeah.
maybe. Look at the old.
Yeah, if you have one. The old what?
This is an
Yeah, thank you. Actually, I'll put
This
cake player in there
cassette
too.
player, it runs a little slow. I'm
Yeah.
not sure if it's gonna get any faster or not. It
Yeah.
hasn't been used for years. I
The,
got one just like that. Luckily it still works.
Yeah, there's a piece in there that can go bad, like a little rubber piece that
Yeah,
can like wear
probably.
out.
It's probably.
So it might be wearing out.
I had up until, well, yesterday
I
morning,
ended up and I.
Yeah.
I had about 200 tapes.
Oh wow, cassette tapes.
Yeah, there's a big pile over there. They're all in.
You sold them all?
things.
Yeah. Oh, that's fun. I've got a couple I can test it with though.
I decided to keep, I had about 40 tapes.
Wow. Alright, I think we're about ready. What? They're too expensive. No, they've got them marked at $5. The most I would pay was 50 cents. We're way too far apart. Way too far. What is this? The world? Oh, it's Mancala. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Hey guys, thanks for coming with me to those yard sales. Definitely had some fun. That first yard sale was actually a viewer's yard sale, and they recognized me, and they actually recognized my mom first, which I thought was kind of funny. Now that I live in Florida, my mom will come to more yard sales with me because she lives 8 minutes away from my new place. So that's really cool. And got some cool hats. Those old vintage hats I'll sell on Whatnot. I expect to get at least 10 bucks a piece. That Boston College one might go for $20 plus. So that was a good buy. The Mickey Mouse thing I got for the kids to play in the pool with because they like pool toys. So that was just kind of cool. I did look it up. It sells for about $10. I paid $3. And I got that single stitch t-shirt. Again, not a really recognizable brand. Probably a $10 single stitch at best. So spent 10 bucks. Probably can bring 40, 50, maybe 60 max. Was cool to meet a viewer. That next sale, though, was kind of expensive. It wasn't like ridiculously expensive, but they had a lot of stuff that was way overpriced. They printed out the eBay sold comps, not even sold comps, the listed comps, which means like it didn't actually sell, but someone has it listed for that amount, which usually isn't a realistic amount that you can expect to get for an item. So I wasn't able to find much. There was sealed VHS. Kevin, the Commonwealth picker, if he was there with me, maybe could have told me what's good or not. He does usually have a good eye for that. I don't know what's good and what's not. I did look up a couple of those sealed ones, I think Jungle Book and maybe Cinderella. Neither one seemed to sell for more than like $8 on eBay. She was asking $5 for them, so didn't seem worth buying to me. I got those little sterling silver plated, well, they weren't sterling, they were silver plated little bells, Disney bells. I think based on the amount I had, I can probably get around $40 to $50. I paid 10, so not terrible at all. I think, I had fun going out there. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment down below what was your favorite find. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell, come back next time.